Hi friends! I wanted to share a quick Cozy New England winter update. It's been a frigid season, and on top of that, the relentless snow has really taken a toll on my ability to film videos for you. Not sure if you know this, but this far north in early November, the sun is already setting around 4:30 in the afternoon. Many of the beautiful places I love to film are a couple or even sometimes a few hours away. With the light fading so early, finding proper filming time has been tricky, and with the constant wind and icy temperatures, it makes it even more challenging. That said, though, this slower season has given me more time at home to lean into other cozy hobbies, like creative journaling, writing, and planning new adventures. Also, I'm heading abroad for a couple of weeks, and when I return, I am hopeful the snow will rapidly begin to melt as the days grow warmer. I'm looking forward to getting back out there and filming more local New England hidden gems for you to enjoy and explore. Until then, stay cozy, my friends.